Hello student, welcome back in my YouTube channel. This is your computer teacher Priyanka Rai. I hope you all are doing great. Before I start the video, you all have to like the video, share it and make sure that you all are the subscriber of my channel to get the notification about new videos. Student, if you are having any query, you can ask in WebEx class or write in my YouTube channel comment box. So I will reply shortly. Let's start. So student, we are going to start our revision video. So today we are going to discuss internet and its applications, which is your chapter number 7. So let's revise. First of all, some internet terminologies are there which you need to understand. So the first one is World Wide Web. Student, the short form is WWW. World Wide Web is a collection of documents found on the network of computers. Network of computer is what? Internet. Okay. So you can simply write it is a collection of documents found on the internet or found on the network of computers. Now the second one is browser. You have heard this word Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, Internet Explorer. So student, all are the example of web browser. So web browser is a special software used to access the web and obtain information. After that, the third point is URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Student, it is the unique address of each web page. Okay, you know that whenever we type the address of website, that particular website will appear on the screen. How? Because that is the unique address of the particular website or web page. Now website it is a collection of many interconnected web pages. It is so simple. Now web page. Student, web page we can say it is the single page of a website or is the HTML document on www which contains text, graphic, sound and hyperlink etc. Now you can see one word is there, hyperlink. So let's understand what is hyperlink. Hyperlink is a picture or text on web page which is linked to another web page. It means when we click on that particular text, so we are able to connect with another web page. Now student, we are going to discuss applications of internet. As you all know that most of the field in our life we are using internet. So there is communication, research and education, health and medicine. So many sectors are there. So let's discuss few of them and you can refer to your book for deep study. Okay. So first of all, we are going to discuss research and education. As you know that a large number of people use the internet for research purpose. Like if you want to find information of a particular topic, so you can simply write the keyword in the search engine and you will get related information. So you can search any kind of information using a special software which is called search engine. You can join online courses. It is also called e-learning. It is suited to distant learner. It means the people, those who are not able to join the physical classroom or those who live in remote area, for them e-learning is very much beneficial. After that student, the another field is health and sector. You know that after the corona pandemic and before also, we all know that health and medicine sector is very important. Okay, so internet is very useful in the field of health and medicine also. People can obtain information about various diseases and medicine. Can also take online appointment from doctors. After that student, entertainment. As you know that entertainment is also very important. So internet is playing important role in entertainment also. We can listen online music, watch movies, play online games, view matches. We can watch news. How is it possible? Because of internet. If we have internet, we can do this all the things online. After that, student, one very important sector which is called banking. As you know, transaction of money is very important. So internet is also used for online banking. We can call net banking, e-banking also. Okay, online banking can also known as net banking or e-banking. We can get account details, we can use ATM anywhere, anytime, we can do money transaction and can also play or pay all bills by using net banking from the convenience of our home. Now student, let's discuss the chapter in question answer form. Okay, some questions are there, I will discuss with you. Like the first question we will take, what is blog? So blog is an online journal or diary of an individual with his/her view on a particular topic. It means you can share your view on a particular topic and you can maintain it over the internet. Okay. Name the place where a group of people come online for a purpose. When the people with the same intention will come together, okay, over the internet, so that particular process known as chat room. What we call it? Chat room. Name the first page of website. As I have already discussed with you, that first page of any website is known as home page. Now what is email? Student, email is a process of sending and receiving of messages over from one computer to another through internet. Okay, internet is playing very vast role. So email you all are aware, it's very important service. Now the next question is, who is known as inventor of World Wide Web? Student, inventor of World Wide Web is Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, Tim Berners-Lee is the inventor of World Wide Web. Name some popular social networking sites. You have heard this word many times, social networking. So Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. are the popular social networking sites. Name a plug and play device which help to connect to internet. There are different ways through which we can connect to internet, and one of them is what? Using dongle. So plug and play device also we call to dongle only. Okay. So student, always remember, plug and play device which help to connect to internet is called dongle. DONGLE. Okay. What is hyperlink? Now only I have discussed with you that hyperlink is the picture or text on the web page which is linked to the another web page. What is search engine? This is last question of the video, but student, there are so many questions in your book, so refer to your computer book properly. Just go through each and every topic, try to make your own questions and prepare well. Any confusion, any problem you can ask in WebEx class. Okay. So the question is what is search engine? Name some popular search engines. Students, search engine are program that search all the documents on the World Wide Web for a specified keyword and return a list of documents where those keywords were found. Okay, like you type any keyword related to that, many document, the list of document will appear on the screen and you can select or choose according to your requirement. Some popular search engines are Google, Yahoo, etc. Student, don't get confused. Web browser is different and search engine is different. Web browsers are like Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome. Okay, Google Chrome is a web browser, whereas Google is called search engine. So don't get confused. Go through your book properly, revise well. Okay, we will meet in next video. Take care. Goodbye.